In front of me is REALME C75 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select or create a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready to firstly create an audio file within Messages app, use this button at the bottom right corner. Start recording thanks to middle one. And when you wanna stop, tap on the same one. Then you can restart it to start over or attach it right away. You can also finish it by tapping on Attach. If you want to pick already existing audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner and hit Files section. Now, pick your file by looking for it over here in one of those apps by tapping on Audio at the top or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner and tapping on one of those sources to find your file. Once you find it, click on it to attach it. When it comes to videos, click on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Now you can use top section of your screen, the camera one, to record your video. Once you're done, it will be automatically attached to your message. If you want to add already existing video, use the same icon and this time hold this line. Then drag it up, look for your recording over here. Click on it, choose Done at the bottom right corner and send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!